Marketplace is a beautiful thing. Yesterday, picked up a couple of scrub bars for the Cruiser, Toyota factory ones, that will match the side steps that we already have and the Bullbar. But they're gloss black and we've Raptored the Bullbar. So today we're gonna sand these back with Ando's help and we're gonna Raptor them and fit them on the Cruiser. So, what do we do, Ando?
Get into it.
So Andy's on the orbital with 80 grit sandpaper. So you can see it's just kind of, it's more dirt than anything else, but there's a few scratches and scrapes on it, so this will bring them brand up like brand new. So we'll get these all both sanded back and Raptored. This bit here's a bit stone chipped, so that'll be good to bring that back to new. And in the back here's probably had a bit of action too, so that'll fix all those bits up.
Trick for you players at home, if you keep pulling, you know, if you've got something connected to an extension lead and you keep pulling it, it comes undone. Simple little trick. You just cross over, fold over that side, fold over that side. See how like that? Then you have to do is plug her in, pull, and now when you pull, it won't come undone.
Andy for once has come up with a genius idea. From his illustrious fishing career, he's got a bit of scrap fishing line left over from all those big barra that he catches. So what he's decided to do is hang the brush bars off these hooks that we pre-installed in the roof for the rooftop tent.
Which are obviously doing their purpose.
Which are obviously doing their purpose. So we're going to hang the scrub bars from the hooks and paint them up there. Genius, Ando.
Genius.
So while Ando's up there putting that fishing line on with all those good fishing knots that he knows how to do, I thought I'd go through the steps that we're going to do. So we've sanded the bars back to give them something to key onto. The next thing we're going to do, this is all Raptor products. So we're using this Raptor acid etch primer. So that's going to, I guess, neutralize anything that's on the bar and also help the Raptor to stick to the bar a bit better. So that's the first thing that we're going to go on to next. We'll let that dry and then we're going to hit it with a couple of coats of this. It's called Raptor Multi-Use Protective Coating. So this is, we've normally used the big Raptor stuff that you shake, you put the hardener in, you get the air compressor and the Schultz gun and you spread on that way. This is something a bit different. It's just in a can. It's what we did the Bullbar with and it's lasting pretty well. So we're going to hit the scrub bars with this and it'll all match in nicely. And how are those knots going?
If you can't tie knots, tie lots.
Let's hope they stay on the roof. Strength test? Confident?
No. Give it a go.
Give it a go. What's the worst that can happen?
It falls.
Oh, look at me go. Yeah. I got fishing line stuff in everything.
So you get like that hole and then we'll put that hole over there.
Oh, we're on site. Yeah. I knew a lot of fishing experience of ours would come in handy.
Oh, I went shopping with Trent to get these and Trent's like, I'll never end up using it, so.
He was wrong.
There you go, Trent.
Yeah, what do you know? We need stronger line.
Why don't you just go?
Yeah.
Oh, just use a bungee.
Why don't we just use a bungee?
Just use a bungee.
That was a bit easier. Why didn't we do that the first time? Ando was the expert Raptor sprayer. He's had plenty of practice because what you probably haven't seen on the channel is about a year or two ago he bought 3 tubs for his Hilux. And you ask me, why did he buy 3 tubs? Well, he bought the first one and it was all dented. But he Raptored it anyway, the tub liner. Then he bought the second one, which was a beautiful tub. He Raptored it, we made it look amazing for his old Hilux. But then what happened, Ando, when we went to put it on the car?
Wrong size.
Turns out it was a King extra cab tub, not a dual cab tub, so wrong size. So then he bought a third one. And it fitted, but he Raptored the bed liner a bit too. So turns out he's got a lot of Raptor experience. So that, Andy has finished Raptoring both the scrub bars for us, so that's all done. So now it's time to mount it. So basically the back one goes onto this tower here, and we gotta just take these 2 bolts off here and put it on, and then slide it up onto the bull bar. So we will get busy with that. So we just did a test fit, and what we've discovered is we had to punch the hole in through here first in the bull bar, in this bit. So we've marked it up, and then this bit will sit on here, and we'll attach that in first before we can put the bull bar back on. So we're just going to punch that hole through and attach this onto it. To do now is try and punch a hole down through that so that evens up, and that's this side done. That is the scrub bars done. I'm super happy with that. Good marketplace find. It's going to protect us a bit more when we're out in the scrub, and hopefully, no, not hopefully, it's still daylight when we've finished the mod on a Saturday, so that's a result. So Ando and I might have a quiet beer. Thanks again for watching. Please remember to subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.